Yes, Whip, you want to be a joyrider?
Yeah. Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I also want to join Honorable Alpha Miruka in condoling with the family of the late Honorable Simon Ogari, who served in this House, Honorable Speaker, for 2 terms, 2 consecutive terms, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, Honorable Ogari led a constituency called Bomachoge, which borders my constituency, Honorable Speaker. And in his time as a member of parliament, many people from my area, Honorable Speaker, especially those that fall within the boundary.
Order, honorable members, Maklap and Yokamkunji, you are hereby disbanded. Take your seats. Order. Order, Yegon and your team. Yegon and your team, order. I can hardly hear what the honorable member is saying.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, as I was saying, that during his time or tenure as a member of parliament, because his constituency happens to be, or the constituency that he led happens to be, very close to mine, and we actually share a very close boundary and a common school that, of course, people raise boundary issues sometimes by saying, it falls within South Mugrango, and others say it's within Bomachoge. But in his time as a member of parliament, Honorable Speaker, when disbursing bursaries, he would give people regardless of where they came from, as long as they happen to be within that boundary jurisdiction, Honorable Speaker. Gusii region has lost a great son of the soil. Gusii region has lost a great leader. Gusii region has lost a public servant who dedicated his life for public service. And on behalf of the entire nation of Gusii and the people of South Mugrango, we say that may his soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker.
Rueda. Clerk, switch off the unnecessary mics. There is one on your left.
Asante Bwana Spika, nami nichukue nafasi hii nitoe rambirambi zangu mimi na familia yangu na wataalamu kwa jumla kwa mheshimiwa aliofariki. Pia nami nichukue nafasi hii nitoe rambirambi zangu kwa familia ya Deputy Governor wa Lamu aliyefariki. Mungu aiweke roho yake pahali pema. Deputy Governor alikuwa mtu mzuri, mtu mwenye ukakamavu, na maskini ameacha familia ndogo. Mwenyezi Mungu aisaidie familia yake. Ile pengo iliyoko, Mungu aijaze ile pengo, na gavana wetu wa Lamu na watu wa Lamu County kwa jumla, Mwenyezi Mungu atupe subra na Mwenyezi Mungu atupe badali, na inshallah gavana Mungu amwezeshe afanye uamuzi wa busara. Natoa pole kwa watu wa Mpeketoni, familia na watu wote wa Lamu. Kwa niaba ya familia yangu na watu wangu wa Lamu Mashariki, tumekosa mtu muhimu, lakini Mungu anampenda zaidi. Asante.
Thank you. Next order.
Order number 8, motion, alteration of the calendar of the House.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker.